Good morning and thanks for watching Coffee with CREN. Today I'm going to show you how you can add an open house to your listing inside of Paragon. So on the home page up at the top, you're going to click on your listings tab. You're going to go to maintain listings. In here, you should get a list of all of your listings that you have that are active or sold or expired, but pretty much you're going to be looking at the active ones. So all the way to the right, there's going to be an action column here, and it's going to say select an action. You're going to hit select an action. And when that pops up, you'll see a little pop up here, and then the fifth one down, it will say um, add open house, add edit open house. You're right here on the right hand side. Actually, it's the fourth one down on the right hand side. You're going to click on that, and from here up in the blue tab, you're going to select add new. And in this pop up, we'll give you all of the information for your open house. Go ahead and fill out all the details for your open house, such as your date, start time, end time, and any comments that you may have on that open house, and hit save. And that is how you add an open house to a listing in Paragon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.